Oh, there's two with antlers there.
There's no such thing as too much food, right?
Oh, you're getting really close.
He's coming
You're
again.
getting close. What's
Who
this?
taught you how to do this? You gotta watch out for hunters.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
All of you
Be
guys.
careful.
How many points do you have on you?
Oh, look at this.
That's a
big
prize
one.
right there.
Whoa.
What a prize.
Whoa.
Whoa. That'll teach you. Don't make me pregnant again.
Whoa, that's something.
Look at that. That's a prize.
How many do you have?
He's a
3, 4.
He's an 8-pointer.
Is that you count each point?
I don't know how you do it.
Wow, you're something.
He looks like an 8-pointer to me.
Yeah. Oh, there's 2 over here. And at least 3. $3.
Oh, no.
Hmm. Uh-oh, more feeding.
Like seagulls. These are seagulls with hooks.
Mm-hmm. Here they come. They're all coming back. Whoa. I thought they'd already been fed. Yeah, I know her too. Babies.